This is a simple tic-tac-toe game written in JavaScript. In this video, I'll walk you through the code that powers this game and show you how each part works. By the end, you'll have a deeper understanding of how to create interactive web games using JavaScript. So, why is JavaScript important in this game? Well, it handles the logic of the game, like allowing players to choose X or low, tracking moves, checking for a winner, and resetting the game. Essentially, JavaScript is what makes this game interactive and responsive. Let's go to the right code. Initializes or resets the game. Board fill. Null resets the game board by filling all cells with null. Block. Selects each game block. Square on the tic-tac-toe grid and clears the text inside it. Letter choice. Allows the user to choose which letter, X or O, to start with. Player has won the game. The game ends in a draw. It performs these checks after every player's move and handles the endgame scenarios. It is an array of arrays, where each inner array represents a winning combination of indices on the game board. 0, 1, 2. Top row. 0, 4, 8. Diagonal from top left to bottom right. These patterns cover all possible rows, columns, and diagonals for a tic-tac-toe win. Board A ensures the cell at index is not empty. A pattern can only be considered if all three cells are filled. Board A equals board B and board B equals board C. Checks if the contents of the three cells A, B, C are the same, meaning they all belong to the same player. If a winning pattern is detected, alert displays a message indicating the current player is lost. Note, the message may need clarification. Player O/X wins might be more appropriate. Reset game calls the function to reset the board for a new game. Return exits the check game status function as the game is over. board every cell equals null. The dot every method checks if all cells in the board array are not null. If all cells are filled and no winning pattern has been found, the game is a draw. The clicked function. This function is triggered whenever a player clicks on a block. It checks if the block is empty, and if it is, it places the player's letter, either X or O, in the block. It also checks if the game has a winner after every move. Checking for a winner. I've created an algorithm that checks the rows, columns, and diagonals to see if there are 3 matching symbols, X or O, in a line. Once a winner is found, the game announces it and stops further moves. Reset the game board and state. It ensures the game starts fresh after a win, loss, or draw. Set timeout. Introduces a delay of 500 milliseconds, 0.5 seconds, before calling the initGame function. This delay ensures any alert messages, e.g., player X wins, are visible to the user before the board resets. Calling initGame. After the delay, the initGame function is executed to reinitialize the game state. Document.querySelector.btn button selects the button element inside a container with the class .btn. .addEventListener click equals sadface adds a click event listener to the button. When the button is clicked, the callback function is executed. Calling initGame. When the button is clicked, the initGame function is triggered to reset the game. Thank you for exploring the workings of the Tic Tac Toe game. From initializing the board to handling player moves and resetting the game, every part plays a crucial role in creating a smooth gameplay experience. If you're looking to build or improve your own game, focus on clarity and efficiency in your code. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I hope you feel inspired to create your own Tic Tac Toe masterpiece. Until next time, happy coding!